Robert back here, Bluegrass Bushcraft. Let's go ahead and kill two birds with one stone. Got sticker updates and announcement for the fall meet. Sorry it's so late, been really busy this summer. So October the 6th, 7th, and 8th are the official dates. This will be at Turkey Foot Campground in McKee, Kentucky. First time appearance is going to be Steve Winkleman and Cheesehead Chris, plus all the regulars and hopefully some more. So y'all be sure to attend. This is a free primitive campground. There is vault toilets. If you're from out of state, if you want to fish for trout, they stock the stream of trout, but you will have to buy an out-of-state fishing license. Or if you're local, you'll need a local fishing license and trout stamp also. Both of you need a trout stamp, local and out of state. And camping is free, no charge. All you gotta do is bring your gear and your food. On Friday night or Saturday night, one or the other, we have a potluck meal, campfire meal. Everybody puts in, and it's always a real good eating there. I mean, you will not go hungry, I promise you. You don't have to bring food to participate, you just come and eat. So, I mean, we have so much food go to waste. We've got a sticker for the fall meet this year. I'll put in a snapshot of that in a close-up here in a minute. So, y'all be sure to attend. Like I said, everyone's invited. Okay, Robert back here. I got a sticker update. Got one from my friend Carl O Outdoor Adventure, and got one from Ron T. Sawyer. I'll show you a close-up of these once I get them on. Okay, still got room for quite a few more on here. If anybody, if you don't see your sticker on here, send me a message. Send me a sticker out. She's filling up, but I still got plenty of room. Let's go ahead and go over them here. See here, there's Carolina Chris, Cheesehead Chris, Michael Burner, Central Kentucky Bushcraft Spring Gathering, second annual Spring Gathering. There's Dominique. Buddy, I'm not going to try to pronounce your last name. I'm tongue-tied. I don't know who that cat there is. Bluegrass Bushcraft. There's Donna from Dream Creation and Adventure. Ron T. Sawyer, the legend, the myth, the man. Plain old Chuck. 2019 Fish Pond Lake Spring Gathering. In the woods with Bigfoot. Central Kentucky Bushcraft. There's Carolina Chris's old one. Another one from Donna. There's that cat again, that Bluegrass Bushcraft. Here is Carl's first sticker. Easy camping. I think that's got them all except the 2 new ones. Okay, here's Carl's new sticker. Carl's Outdoor, Carl O YouTube Adventures, Carl's Outdoor Adventures. And here's one Ron just sent me, his new sticker. Wait a minute, I haven't read that. I don't say nothing about Ron on there. Well, I want you to look. Ha ha ha. Coleman Lantern Addict since I met Bluegrass Bushcraft and plain old Chuck. Well, I got a few of these to give out if anybody else wants to accuse me of causing your addiction. Okay, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe, and God bless. I like it, Ron. Okay, got a couple more. Another bum on here. Forgot what on here. We had to add him on there. That Coleman restoration dude. And up here, we got the Bluegrass Bushcraft Fall Meat Turkey Foot Campground. It's coming up October the 5th, 6th, and 7th. Put it on your calendars. Sorry for the late notice.